Today was a good day.
Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to another vlog. It is a beautiful, gloomy fall morning. This is the only time of year that you will hear those words come out of my mouth, but it is like drizzly, cloudy, gross. I'm so excited. Today we're doing a full like fall day in my life. So I'm taking you guys through just a full day. We're gonna go to a coffee shop and study. Like, I'm just gonna make it as fall as possible. But yeah, maybe take a walk and like go see some of the fall leaves, even though the leaves haven't really started to change yet in Toronto, even though it's like the end of October. But this morning, before I get on with the rest of my morning routine, I'm actually gonna do a little guided stretch session with Open. And I'm also wearing this cute little set from Open. Today's video is in partnership with Open, so a big thank you to Open for partnering with me on this video. So we're just gonna explore the platform together and do a little stretch session this morning, like I said, before we get on with the rest of my morning routine and the rest of our day, just to kind of wake up and like get the blood flowing, get our bodies feeling good. Open is a mindfulness and wellness platform, like I already mentioned. Use it when I'm like really stressed out and I need like a quick breather, I need a quick stretch session. But yeah, it's supposed to just help you be more mindful and be more in tune with your mental health, which I really love. So let's get started. Let's do our little stretch session. Also, hi, this is the first video that I'm filming with my new hair. This may not be the first video that you guys will have seen with my new hair, but I recently got curtain bangs cut and I dyed it darker. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I just wanted to mention that if I look a little bit different, you are not seeing things. I did get my hair done. But yeah. Also just wanted to show you guys the full set from Open. Oh, it's so cute. It's this little shorts and long sleeve top set. I will also have all the info for Open down in the description box below, so you guys can go check it out for yourselves. Open also has an iOS version, which I absolutely love. So it's everything the same that's on the web browser, except in the app, so it's with you wherever you go. At the bottom, you can see they have the breathe, meditate, move sections, the same as on the app. So breathing is just the breath work. It's really what Open focuses on, and so they've got all of these breath work sessions that you can guys try out. Some of the sections for breath work include just basics, everyday, performance, sleep. So really just everything to help you, not only in everyday life, but like in your workouts and exercises, and also if you have difficulty sleeping, help you to go to sleep better. So they have so many different breathwork sessions to try. And there's also the move, which is the one that I obviously use the most. Also just their aesthetic is absolutely everything. I love the layout of the app. It's so easy to use. I think I'm gonna do this slow morning stretch right now. Alright, I just finished breakfast and I was just doing some little, like, a little bit of school prep work, a little bit of planning, a little bit of just like seeing what I have to get done today. But I'm gonna go get ready now. I'm gonna do my makeup, gonna do my hair. I'm meeting up with Laura for just a little like coffee shop work. I was saying that earlier, like I'm going to go to coffee shop to work today, but I'm actually meeting up with Laura, and I think the plan is to go coffee shop hopping, which literally in the fall is the best thing ever. Not that I need more than one coffee a day, but like it's midterm season. I have 3 midterms next week. It's a little bit crazy, so I think that's the plan, but I'm gonna get ready now.
Whenever it's early twilight, I'll watch till a star breaks through.
Alright, here is the look of the day. I did my makeup, I just gave my bangs a little freshen up, threw my hair back in a bun. I'm going for some dark academia vibes today with this little Skims top, Princess Polly pants. I believe this is Urban Outfitters, but this is the look, so let's go head to a coffee shop to study.
It's not a star I see, it's always you. Whenever I roam through roses, and lately I often do. Well, funny, it's not a rose I touch, it's always you. Well, if a breeze caresses me, it's merely you strolling by. If I hear a melody, it's merely the way you sigh. Wherever you are, you're near me, and dare me to be untrue. Oh, funny, each time I fall in love, it's always you.
Alright, I just got home from my little morning afternoon out studying, so I'm gonna start making dinner now. I'm actually gonna make butternut squash soup for dinner. I'm so excited, but I threw on this little cozy outfit, just this little knit sweater, brown leggings, and these little fuzzy socks I got in Norway. But yeah, the rest of the evening's Probably just gonna be pretty chill. I'm gonna make such a cozy atmosphere. I love fall and making a cozy atmosphere. I'm gonna put on some jazz. I'm gonna put on like a fall background or fireplace or something on the TV, light a bunch of candles. Oh, it's gonna be so good. But that's kind of what's up this evening. I'm just gonna chill and do that. Also, like, I feel so fall right now. Brown leggings, cozy knit sweater. Let's go make some butternut squash soup. So while I'm waiting for my soup to finish up, I just made a little broccoli mixed green salad and then some salmon to have with dinner as well. I'm gonna have the soup once it's done, but this is kind of like the other part of my dinner.
Feel your eyes, cold skin. Rice wine, candlelight is still not enough for me to know about
I stretch my hands out forward, oh, but I hesitate. I watch the flame contort and die. I never claimed that I was brave. I only cut you out of way. I catch a wave. I only dip my toes and cold hearted and divided, but you broke the silent sign. You got me diving now. How can I be sure? You got me begging for more than a dead. So lay it down for me instead right now.
I wish you guys could smell this tea right now. It's a pumpkin spice decaf tea from Stash. Oh, literally fall in a mug here. But after dinner, I just did a little bit of skincare. I worked on some schoolwork. I did some studying for a little bit. And now it's time to relax for the evening. So I'm gonna sign off from the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this full day in my life, full fall day in my life. I'm going to read. I'll do a book update real quick. I finished Throne of Glass. Didn't love it. I found it pretty slow up until the last like 100 pages. So right now I'm reading City of Bones, the first Mortal Instruments. I've had this series for forever and just never have picked it up. So this is what we are currently reading, is the first book in that series. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully I will see you in my next video, and I love you all so much. Remember to be kind to yourself this week, today, and that you are always enough and you are worth it. And I love you all so much. Bye.